Mentah ke arpenyuk tarik urisau arhajar arpuar Nongialam ke TMC Meghalaya Richard Merong Marak ulakam baka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala Phiel halor ke jing pentrekam ya ke Jal Jeevan Mission haka shnong imsa drop ke bahab Rongjeng haiz Garo Hills ulat her ya tenat public health engineering ke balat hok klem ke jing shisha.
Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government stands on the shaken ground between warfare of allegations of falsities regarding the Jal Jeevan Mission implementation in Rongjeng's Imsamdrap village. The villagers were not only robbed of drinking water, but the village Sorda of Imsamdrap had also accused the PHE department of tricking them into believing the project was completed. The PHE was also accused of forging the signature of the village water sanctioning committee's president. Instead of refuting the claim with valid information, the PHE minister vaguely delayed the authentication of the veracity of the report. Being the minister of PHE, it is ironic to see him make a statement that he was not aware of any such reports. Can the PHE minister substantiate with facts that on whose part does the falsity lie? He mentioned that he would inquire into the allegations of false reports produced by the authorities about the implementation of the JJM at Rongjeng's Imsamdrap village in East Garo Hills. It is utterly pathetic to see a minister waking up from the slumber and pledging to inquire into the matter to seek a report from the authorities implementing this project. An amount of approximately rupees 41 lakh was allotted for the Jal Jeevan Mission project in the. However, it is only implemented in pen and paper. The reality of the town is that the families are still reeling from the lack of water facilities. While the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government fails to implement Jal Jeevan Mission in a village with 37 households, how are they even aiming for 100% completion of the JJM by the end of 2022? From the current situation, it is evident that the MDA government will implement JJM merely on words. With the completion of only 40.63 of the JJM project, reaching 6 lakh households by the end of 2022. It sounds like a distant dream cooked up by the NPP-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government for electoral gains. Meghalaya Trinamool Congress is shocked at the lack of awareness and deliberate procrastination coming from the PHE minister. The MDA government is fabricating a false Jal Jeevan Mission success story in contrast with the reality in various stretches of rural Meghalaya. The people of Meghalaya demands answers.